This indicator provides a comprehensive technical analysis system that combines market structure concepts, smart money concepts, with advanced gap analysis and a statistical stress model. It is designed to help traders identify trend direction, structural pivot points, potential reversal zones, order blocks, significant price gaps, and moments of market exhaustion. Unlike standard zigzag or fractal indicators, this script integrates volume, trend maturity, and statistical volatility, Z-score, to contextually classify price action. By overlaying these elements with a robust market structure engine, which identifies change of character, CHoCH, and order blocks, the tool provides a confluent view of price action. It automates the detection of institutional footprints, allowing traders to see the structural trend, momentum drivers, and potential exhaustion points simultaneously. Methodology. The script operates on three distinct but complementary logic engines. The Gap Analysis Engine. This module detects gaps between the previous high/low and the current open. It classifies them into three specific types based on volume and structural context. Breakaway gaps, identified when a gap creates a breakout above a recent pivot high or below a pivot low. This signals the start of a potential new trend. Exhaustion gaps, identified when a gap occurs with high relative volume and meets the trend maturity criteria. This often signals the end of a trend. Runaway gaps, standard continuation gaps that occur within a trend. Market Structure Engine. Swings and CHoCH. The script uses a left and right bar lookback to identify pivot highs and lows. A change of character, CHoCH, is plotted when price closes beyond the most recent major pivot. Order blocks, OB. Upon a continuation of the trend, the script scans backward to find the extreme candle, the origin of the move, and highlights this zone as an order block. Dynamic cleanup. Gaps and order blocks are automatically removed, mitigated, when price aggressively crosses through their levels. Exhaustion and stress model. This statistical engine measures market stress by analyzing the impact of price range relative to volume, true range/volume. Calculation. It calculates a Z-score, standard deviation, of this impact. Logic. When the Z-score exceeds a specific threshold, sigma, it indicates a statistical anomaly or stress. Signal. If high stress occurs while price is significantly above the trend baseline, it signals buyer exhaustion. Conversely, high stress below the baseline signals seller exhaustion. Visuals and legend. Before trading, you need to know what the indicator is drawing on your chart. Change of character, CHoCH. Green dashed line indicates a bullish reversal. Red dashed line indicates a bearish reversal. Order blocks, OB. Green boxes, bullish support zones, buy interest. Red boxes, bearish resistance zones, sell interest. Note, invalidated boxes are automatically deleted. Gaps. Blue box, breakaway strong momentum gap starting a new trend. Orange box, runaway continuation gap. Red box, exhaustion warning signal, trend may be ending. A stress model signals. Label B, red buyer exhaustion. Suggests the bullish move is overextended relative to volume participation. Label SE, green seller exhaustion. Suggests the bearish move is overextended. Trading strategy. You can use a pullback, continuation and exhaustion strategy with this indicator. Scenario A, long setup, buying. Trend change, look for a CHoCH label with a green dashed line. Entry zone, look for a green order block, OB, to form. Confirmation, a breakaway gap, blue, validates the breakout. Entry, enter long when price pulls back into the green OB. Exit warning, if a B, buyer exhaustion, label appears, consider tightening stops or taking profit. Scenario B, short setup, selling. Trend change, look for a CHoCH label with a red dashed line. Entry zone, look for a red order block, OB, to form. Confirmation, a breakaway gap downwards validates the move. Entry, enter short when price rallies back into the red OB. Exit warning, if an SE, seller exhaustion, label appears, consider tightening stops or taking profit. Settings. Date range filter. Use date filter, toggle time-based filtering. Start date, timestamp to begin calculations. A gap analysis. Min gap size, minimum points required to register a gap. Logic inputs, configures lookback periods and volume multipliers for gap classification. Visuals, customize colors for breakaway, runaway, and exhaustion gaps. Market structure. Swing detection length, lookback period for pivot points. Show CHoCH, toggle for change of character labels. Show order blocks, toggle for OB boxes. Exhaustion and stress model. Trend filter length, baseline length for determining trend direction, EMA. Statistical lookback, length for the z-score calculation. Stress threshold, sigma the standard deviation requirement to trigger an exhaustion signal, default, 2.0.